Hello student, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. Today's topic simple random sampling, in short SRS. Now what is simple random sampling? Simple random sampling SRS is a method of selection of a sample comprising of small n number of sampling units out of the population having capital N number of sampling units, such that every sampling unit has an equal chance of being chosen. Now the number 1, simple random sampling with replacement, and in short we can write SRSWOR. Now SRSWOR is a method of selection of small m units out of capital N units one by one, such that any stage of selection any one of the remaining unit have same chance of being selected, that is 1 by n. The second one, simple random sampling with replacement, in short SRSWR. SRSWR is a method of selection of small n units out of capital N units one by one, such that any stage of selection each unit has equal chance of being selected, that is 1 by n. Now what is the procedure of selection of a random sampling? Procedure of selection of a random sampling. The procedure of selection of a random sample follows the following step. Number 1, identify the n units in the population with the numbers 1 to capital N. Step 2, choose any random number arbitrarily in the random number table and start reading numbers. Step 3, choose the sampling unit whose serial number correspond to the random number drawn from the table of random numbers. Step 4, in case of SRSWR, all the random numbers are accepted ever if repeated more than once. In case of SRSWOR, if any random number is repeated, then it is ignored and more numbers are drawn. Now here's some notation. capital N, number of sampling units in the population. Small n, number of sampling units in the sample. Y, the characteristic under consideration. Yi, value of the characteristic for the ith unit of the population. Y bar, that equals to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi, sample mean. Capital Y bar, that equals to 1 by capital N summation I equals to 1 by n yi, population. A square equals to 1 by n minus 1 summation I equals to 1 to n yi minus y bar sigma square equals to 1 by n I equals to 1 to n but the whole square equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n yi square y bar square. A square equals to 1 by small n minus 1 summation I equals to 1 to n square equals to 1 by n minus 1 summation I equals to 1 to n okay. Now probability of drawing a sample. Number 1, SRS WOR. Now if n units, it's small n units, are selected by SRS WOR, the total number of possible sample is capital N and small n. So the probability of selecting any one of these sample is 1 by n. A unit can be selected at any one of small n draws. Let ui be the ith unit in the sample. This unit can be selected in the sample either at first draw, second draw or nth draw. Let Pji, you can write this, let Pji denotes the probability of selection of ui at the jth draw, where j equals to 1 2 ... n. Then pji equals to pi1 p1i p2i plus dot 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 pni.